In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel auto renew on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to cancel the auto renew in GoDaddy. And of course, if we want to do that, we'll not need this page. For now, we'll have to open a new tab. Then simply at the URL section, simply type dcc.godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, you can go into this domain portfolio page from that page, but it will take a lot of steps. So just do this, which is the shortcut kind of it. Of course, here you'll find all the domain names that you have in your account. Of course, if you want to cancel the auto renew on on any domain name, simply select it. Then you'll have this at your bottom of your screen. Simply click add this. As you can see, you can hear from here turn the auto renew on or off. As you said, we would like to cancel it or turn it off. Click at turn off, and as you can see, for me, auto renew is already off, so we'll have just to click at close. But for you, you'll have a continue option. Once you click on it, you'll find a message at the top right corner. The auto renew is successfully turned off, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.